Hi everyone, today your girl Tam Tam Kitchen is going to be showing you how to make this lovely puff pastry ackee bites. So guys, this is really delicious and I'm going to go ahead and show you right now how I make my ackee bites. So guys, that's all the fresh seasoning chopped up, and now we're going to go straight ahead and cook our ackee. So guys, add some coconut oil or whichever oil you prefer to your pan. So add your garlic in. But now I'm gonna add my onions and just, give it a stir. Tomato and spring onion go in together. Yeah, so you just basically chuck everything in, guys, because it's going in one pot. So I'm gonna leave this to saute for about 4 to 5 minutes on low heat, and then I'm gonna show you when I'm adding my ackee. Just make sure that your fresh seasoning cook well. Now we are gonna add our fresh thyme. Yeah, just add your fresh thyme in. Now we're adding our ackee. This is the ackee from the tin, guys. You know. So guys, you can get this ackee in any Caribbean shop. Just incorporate everything together, guys. Look how colorful and pretty that looks. So now we are going to add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, just add a little bit, a pinch. We're going to add Himalayan salt, a pinch of Himalayan salt. And now we are adding some black pepper. Yeah, so just add your black pepper. And now we are going to incorporate everything together. So I'm going to leave this for about 5 minutes on low heat to steam down, and I show you guys when I am finished. So guys, that's the ackee done. Very quick and easy, and it is delicious. So now I am going to show you guys when I am putting my ackee on my pastry so we can put it in the oven to bake. Yeah, just get a puff pastry, or if you decide to make it by yourself, voila. But this is quick and easy. This is a quick and easy recipe, guys. And I am gonna just put some butter over my puff pastry. I'm just gonna pour the butter on it like that. So guys, just put your butter over your puff pastry like so. Yeah, and I think that's enough butter. So now I am gonna spread some soft cheese. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put soft cheese, and I'm just gonna lay it like so, and then I will use my brush to brush it all over. Just make it easier and quicker. Just use a spoon and just put your soft cheese. And now we are going to add our ackee, the most important bit. So I'm just gonna put my ackee on like so, and remember to take out your time out of your ackee. Yeah, I have some pieces in here that I didn't see, so I'm going to take them out now. So just add your ackee to one side, guys. Let's put it on one half of the pastry and just make sure it is leveled out. So that's all you need to do, guys. Make sure you put your ackee in and make sure that it's leveled out. Now we are going to turn over your puff pastry like so. Yeah, and just put it over your ackee, okay, and like so, and we are just gonna seal the sides. Yeah, so now we are just gonna seal the sides like so, just so that your ackee doesn't really come out when it's baking. As you can see, I did put a lot of ackee in there because, yep, I want it to taste delish. So I'm just gonna seal the sides like so. Yeah, and I'm gonna seal the other side like so as well. Yeah, so let's cut one piece like so. Yeah, just cut your pastry like so, guys. You don't have to be perfectly cut. And another bit like so. Try to make them even. I am trying my best to make it even. Even if it's not even, just Just cut them. You're just gonna eat these. It's to eat. Yeah. I think I'm gonna leave this side to do a bit. Yeah, and then we're just gonna separate it like so. And I am just gonna twist it like so, and I am gonna twist it like so, and I'm gonna place it here. Yes, guys, I'm just trying to make some design. So just twist your thing, and I'm gonna make another one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pinch the side of this as well. On I'm just going to just twist them, and then I'm putting it in here. So guys, you know this is gonna puffed up, so you don't have to worry about if the ackee is gonna come out or not, because it's gonna be puffed up. Yeah. Wow, them look good. Me not lie, them look good. Now I am just gonna do squares, and I'm gonna put it there, and I'm gonna do this with the rest. So guys, that is the puff pastry ready to go in the oven. So I'm putting this in the oven at 200 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm just gonna go straight ahead and put my puff pastry in the oven, and then I will show you when I am finished. I'm just gonna plate it up, and I'm gonna take this one and put it in my plate like so. And I'm gonna take this one, put it in my plate like so. Yes, guys, look at that. That looks good. So, guys, as you can see, that is my Ackee bites, and it's all done. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys for watching.